Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, October 4. The police yesterday intercepted several illegal rounds of ammunition and guns that were shipped to the island. 10 firearms, 640 rounds of ammunition, and 1 silencer were found in a barrel packed among food items. The operation was led by the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime (CTOC) Division at the Kingston Container Terminal. 4 persons have been arrested in connection with the find. By year end, Parliament will debate on the future of the National Housing Trust NHT. So says Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who asserts that the NHT in its present form is in need of reform to meet the housing demands placed on it. As a result, Mr. Holness says he will table the commissioned NHT Strategic Review report for Parliament to discuss a way forward for the entity.
That report has in it many proposals as to how we can reform the NHT so that it can both support the national agenda items, such as the economic programs, but also how to expand its true mandate, which is to increase home ownership in Jamaica.
Prime Minister Holness made the announcement Wednesday as he broke ground for the $860 million Maxfield Park housing development in St. Andrew. The project, which sits on 6.14 acres, will house 210 solutions.
It's not just getting the better housing solution, but just changing the way in which people live can literally transform and uplift the lives of the people.
Prime Minister Holness, meanwhile, announced that the NHT's new housing target is 23,000 housing solutions by the year 2021. Part of that thrust is the fast tracking of the NHT's community renewal program, where 1,000 solutions are expected to be delivered.
In Majestic Gardens, there will be 32 units developed. In Mona Commons, there will be 225 units to be developed. In Rasta City, in Tivoli Gardens, there will be 93. In Denham Town, there will be 28. In Juna Crescent, in Clarendon, there will be 70. In Canterbury, in St. James, 76.
100 houses are also to be constructed at St. Paul's Lane in Tower Hill and 131 at White Wing on Olympic Way in St. Andrew. International brand Hard Rock Hotel is to break ground for a 1,100-room resort in St. James. Construction of the hotel is to begin before year-end at Rose Hall in the parish. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett says once completed, the Hard Rock Resort will be the largest single hotel to be built in Jamaica.
It will be right beside Iberia Star going west towards the playfield.
The project is part of the 7,500 new rooms to be added to the local tourism product within the next 3 years. Mr. Bartlett made the disclosure at the recent launch of the Hospitality and Tourism Management Program at Spot Valley High School. The 2-year program commenced in September and involves 650 students across 32 schools. The first of its kind in the region, the program seeks to build a strong cadre of workers and entrepreneurs in the tourism industry. The performance task component of the Primary Exit Profile PEP has been rescheduled from December 2018 to March 2019. The other 2 aspects, the ability test and curriculum-based test, will be conducted in February and April 2019 as previously scheduled. Education Minister Senator Ruel Reid made the announcement Wednesday at his ministry's quarterly press briefing. He said the changes were based on recommendations from the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA.
Based on the consultation the JTA have had with their teachers and arising from just looking at where they are and their comfort level in terms of the new items and so on, they have asked us to make some adjustment to the examination schedule, which we have agreed to, and there's a MOU that we will sign with them to this effect. So as of now, I'm officially advising the country that we are now changing the schedule.
The government is to host a town hall meeting on the proposed development of National Heroes Park. The town hall meeting is scheduled for Heroes Circle on Thursday, October 25. All members of the community and stakeholders will be invited to participate in the discussion. Prime Minister Andrew Holness made the announcement during the sitting of the House of Representatives on Tuesday.
We will answer their questions and address their concerns. In keeping with this commitment, a contract has been prepared for the retention of the Social Development Commission, the agency mandated to lead interventions and sensitization of communities regarding government programs, to lead this aspect of the project going forward.
He said the Urban Development Corporation has also initiated consultations with the Member of Parliament and councillors of the Central Kingston constituency and stakeholders such as the Woolmers Trust, technical and professional persons, and members of the construction industry to seek their input on the way forward. The government has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with China Construction America for the crafting of technical plans for the development of a center of government at National Heroes Park. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.